Don't want to fix it alone? Call RVFix to get virtual assistance from a certified technician today.
Hi, this is Kevin with RVFix. Today I just want to talk to you about if you're trying to turn on your tankless water heater, but your controller on the inside is not coming on. So what we want to check, we're going to go to the outside of this unit and take a look at the outside of the water heater. Alright, so depending on what brand you have, might look a little bit different, but you're always going to have an access to these water heaters on the outside. We're just going to open up that door, and you are going to have a power switch and a fuse. So if we were to turn this switch to the on position, it's going to be the I, the O is the off. We turn that on, we can go back inside, make sure your controller's coming on. If it still was not, the next thing would be our little barrel fuse out here. And that's just going to come out like that, and you just have a little filament running through the middle of your fuse, or you could check it. If you had a meter, you could check continuity through there as well. But this is just going to be any type of tankless water heater you're looking at on these RVs. You are going to have a master switch on the outside to turn it on and off, and a 12-volt fuse on the outside as well. So if you're ever getting that controller not turning on, these will be the first things you want to take a look at. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching. If this video didn't solve your problem, don't worry. We're here to help. Give us a call at 1-844-66-RVFix. We'll diagnose your issue quickly with a certified technician on a video call, get any parts and warranty processed, and if needed, we'll coordinate a service center or mobile technician to get you fixed. We'll handle it all so you can get back to camping.